Just kidding, Dad. Just picked up the trailer. Time to pick up the concrete grinder. Yay! Let's go. Alrighty guys, the time has come to etch the motherfucking concrete.
Come catch me, babe. I'm falling. Come save me, baby. I'm calling. Come be with me, babe. Come as you are. Come catch a fire, babe. Don't let me fade away. Don't let me fade away. Come catch a feeling. It's electrifying me. Eyes wide open. I'm dreaming. Refall, baby. Awake before I'm down. Refall, baby. Awake before I'm down.
Good news, everybody. The concrete floor is ready to get painted. Fortunately, it won't be possible to get done tonight because it's already 11 o'clock. I'm exhausted and it is absolutely freezing. So the plan is after work tomorrow, I'll get started on the concrete first thing. I've just pressure cleaned it the second time, so that's got majority of the derbis, dust, sand and everything out. Oh yeah, not sure if I mentioned it already. So this is the colour scheme with the pillars that I was talking about previously. It's the grey on the side and then it's the white. The reason why I went ahead with that is because obviously there's lights on the ceiling placed here. So there's always going to be shade here. So if this was white, that might have given 3 shades of colour. So there's grey, this shadowed colour here, and then obviously the white here. So I've just gone with the grey here because it's going to be dark anyway. And I'm pretty stoked with my Picasso enthusiasm. So there's nothing much else that I can do at this stage. Just going to water the grass.